Alrighty, we back at it. The Bul Armory crapped on me all day Saturday when we had the Saturday match at Thunder. Today is the day that it shall redeem itself. I have been working on that gun since Saturday. Today is now Wednesday the 12th. I've had to replace the main spring because that was only at 12 pounds, which causes light strikes. Took the recoil spring from 10 down to 9, changed the seating depth on my bullets, changed the power factor on the bullets, cleaned the hell out of the gun with an air compressor just in case there's stuff in there, changed the firing pin spring, changed the firing pin. I've done a lot trying to get this gun to run. Hopefully today it redeems itself. That's the plan. Now if that happens, I don't know, but that's the plan. So far, when I've been testing at the different ranges all week long, it's been getting better, and better. I just hope it runs where I can concentrate on the stage instead of waiting for it to fail and not concentrating on the stage, being slow and inaccurate because I'm waiting on a malfunction. Hopefully that does not happen today. I even learned how to do something called the plunk test, where you drop the bullet off in the barrel and it should fall right out without you having to pull it out, which has something to do with seating depth and all that different stuff. But hopefully it works with no problems. That's the plan. All right, guys, next time you see me, I will be on the range. See you there.
All right, firing. Is the shooter Jim and on deck and Will in the hole.
Make ready.
Byron. Go home. Just don't even think about it. Go away.
Relax outside.
Huh? Oh, okay, that's right.
Are you ready? Stand by.
Oh, damn it.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Stand by.
Damn it. Come on. Ah.
Low. It's so clear. If clear, hammer down the whole stick.
That's me fucking up. Hey, I gotta have it so I know it's actually recording.
Firing's up. I'm on deck, and Will Allen's in the hole. Who wants it?
All headshots, Byron.
Have you seen the way I've been shooting tonight?
All headshots in the A-box.
Those will be all mics.
For a long time.
Anything but the A-box on the head is on.
Oh shit.
No. That's why I was just standing here waiting.
Both wearing black.
That's why I look at it. I have my hands crossed too, so I know I'm safe. You want to go walk and make sure now? Just to kind of give yourself peace of mind.
I stare. Make ready.
What really matters when you start putting weight.
Without a match, one of the stages was you got to get down in the trench, clear the trench, and it feels the same as down
Are you ready? Stand by.
They were down in the trench.
I saw a video like that too.
Yeah.
If you're finished on those, show clear.
Oh.
Clear, hammer down, and holster.
I think I saw where it went.
Right, just clear.
I can't see it.
I know, right?
No light on it.
Got it.
Hang on a second.
1640.
Okay, I'm alive.
Don't shoot your own shit either.
It's 15 flat, right?
Yeah, it was 15.
15 00.
So technically you're supposed to
Byron, Jim, Will,
You're my RO.
Cam,
Okay.
What's
Leo.
that?
I'll make sure you were my RO.
Yes, sir. Range is hot. Load and make ready.
I could take away some mics. I don't need the alphas. I just want the mics to go away.
Shooter ready. Stand by.
Ah, shit.
If you're done, unload, show clear. If clear, slide forward, hammer down, holster.
Damn it.
Range is clear. Time 15:51.
I don't know where the hell.
Ready?
So I need to be.
All right, who wants it? Byron's up.
Good job, boys. We're moving. We should have no problem. Keep that up.
Good enough spot.
Range is hot.
Good enough spot for you?
Fine. Yep.
Okay.
Make ready. Shooter ready. Stand by. If done, unload, show clear. Face it that way. If clear, slide forward, hammer down, holster. Range clear. Time 15:72.
Ready?
I'll take that.
Charlie.
Good Charlie. Fucking moving.
2 Alpha.